Hi friends, Christine Holmuth, 251life.com and Remexo Gulf Shores. And Dave and I are at 4299 Montague, which is in the Villages of Craft Farms, which is a 55 and older community with great amenities.
Yes, the 3 Ps.
The 3 Ps.
Pool.
Pickleball, pool,
Putting green.
putting green. Anyway, this is a 3-2 Bristol plan, which is fabulous. They've got a lot of upgrades. It's been very well maintained. And one of the bedrooms actually has a built-in Murphy bed, which is very easy to work. And what's that thing you always say, Dave, that you want to make guests comfortable, but
not comfortable enough that they stay for a long time.
True. So this gives you that option. So you have an option to have a guest room, but then also a hobby or craft room. They've got a lot of cabinet upgrades as well. They've got a nice irrigation system, and this is a beautiful lot into the expansive Gulf Shores future park system. So it might be a while for that.
Yeah, a little bit. But it's right off of County Road 8 here, so it's a great location. Really close to the new high school that's being built. Just you can actually see it out the front door. So excellent location to the Foley Expressway. So easy to get to just about everything from here. So
perfect.
Yeah.
Come check it out. 4299 Montague.
See ya.
Thank you.